Find your playlists and your people. Offline listening with Spotify Premium lets you grow your musical taste.
Because of the long line. I was so embarrassed I started to back my card up to signal to the people around me. I don't know. Number two, you pump your own gas here in America. Throughout my whole childhood and teen years, I never saw anyone pump their own gas. There was always an attendant to help you pump your gas. Then I got to America and was like, what?
And your community from anywhere. Don't miss